The kidneys are the organs responsible for processing residues of all the body before eliminating them through the urinary system. We recently talked about kidneys in Chinese medicine. Did you watch it? The kidneys have important tasks, and if they aren't healthy, you may put yourself at risk of dangerous conditions like renal failure and other kidney diseases. The primary and most known function of the kidneys is filtering the blood and excreting liquid residues, but they do much more than that. As you can see, the kidneys are crucial for the body, and for them to work well in case of any issues, you need some natural medicines, such as Chancapidra. Chancapidra is extremely common and used for treating kidney stones. According to research, it relaxes the ureters that link the kidneys to the bladder and has an analgesic effect on the urinary system. Write down the ingredients. 1 tablespoon Chancapidra leaves, 34 ounces water. Combine all ingredients in a pot and boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, wait for it to cool down, and strain. Drink throughout the day. Parsley. According to a study published by PubMed, parsley, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, does a natural cleanse in the kidneys. For centuries, parsley tea has been used as a diuretic that helps treat kidney stones, gallbladder stones, and urinary tract infections. To make parsley tea, you will need 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley, including the stem. Boil the water, remove from heat, and add the parsley. Let it sit for 20 minutes and drink the tea throughout the day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Burrhead. Burrhead tea helps with kidney issues and is commonly used as an antihypertensive, depurative, and diuretic. Many people also use this plant to treat syphilis and liver, kidney, and skin issues, especially kidney stones. Learn how to make it. Ingredients: 1 gram of dried burrhead leaves, 5 ounces water. Put the burrhead leaves in a pot with water and let it boil for 10 minutes. Drink right after making it and up to 3 times a day. Java, commonly known as Java, and with the scientific name of Orthosiphon aristatus. This plant is used to treat kidney stones and urinary tract infections, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. To make this tea, you need 0.20 ounces of dried Java leaves and 34 ounces of water. Add the Java leaves to the boiling water and let it sit from 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. Drink Java tea 2 to 3 times a day. None of these teas is recommended for children under 6 years old or pregnant and nursing women. If you have kidney issues, talk to your doctor about these plants. Tell us, did you like learning more about herbs to treat kidney issues? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.